Your vehicle keeps your life moving, and we keep it moving reliably. Our light-duty vehicle service center is equipped to keep your car performing at its best with expert diagnostics, professional maintenance, and reliable repairs you can trust. We specialize in servicing Chinese vehicle brands including Jetor, Soeast, BYD, Chery, Hava, Jack, Geely, GAC, Chang'an, Fonton, Dongfeng, Great Wall Motors, MG, and Maxus. From routine oil changes and brake checks to full engine diagnostics, suspension work, and genuine part replacement, our skilled technicians deliver precision every time. We ensure your car gets the professional care it deserves. Bring your Chinese vehicles to the expert today and experience service you can depend on. JA Pool Ghana Ltd, reliable service for